So today I worked out. I did a run, or I did like a little circuit. So I did some slam balls and then would run around the track and did a few sets of those. And so after that, I was breathing super heavily just from the high intensity. And I noticed that I was breathing real heavy in the air I was breathing out just seemed like super humid. Um, and that's where I was kind of able to relate it to what we talked about in class, where we're breathing out H2O with CO2, um, which I thought was super cool, because we're talking about acid-base balance and how um, you're going to have acid buildup in um, your muscles, and to balance that out, you're going to be with the acid. You're going to balance that out through your first line of defense, your dipeptides, your proteins, your phosphates, and then you're going to balance that out through getting the H plus, the hydrogen ions, what making it acidic. You're gonna be able to move those out of the cell via your three channels, your NHE, your MCT, and then your NBC. And when those move out of the cell, the H plus ions are going to bind to the hemoglobin, denaturing it, releasing oxygen. That's all going to flow through the bloodstream back to your heart, to your lungs. And then when it's in your lungs, it's going to form bicarbonate, H2CO3. And you're going to split that up into an H2O molecule and a CO2 molecule. And those are going to be both the molecules that you're going to be breathing out, and can be part of your expiration. And that's why after an exercise, or not even after an exercise, just in general, if you hold up like a mirror or a piece of glass and you're just breathing in front of it, it'll fog over with that moisture that you have breathing out. And so that's kind of where the moisture comes, and I was able to relate that to my superset workout that I did at the gym today.